back to another unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing the baby strollers, the pink and the yellow. Okay, please excuse the lighting. I know it's kind of dark, but it is rainy outside. I'm filming on a rainy day, so it is gonna be kind of dark, so just please excuse the lighting. So, I got these at Target for $9.97, and it's a really good price because the babies come with the stroller, and that is so good because you don't have to go to the store and go buy the baby separately, so it saves more money, so that's actually a really good idea. Okay guys, I'm sure I am boring you right now, so let's just open this thing up, shall we? Okay guys, I know he looks like the other babies, but just look. Hold on, my camera's out of focus. Look at that little face. That is just so cute. He's no different from your average baby. So you can see, here's the back of him. His diaper is removable, like your average baby. And this is the bottom. Look how cute that is. And it's yellow, it's a different color, and it's a different shape. I really like this. So here's the other baby. She is just so cute. She's just like the other one. Her diaper is removable and everything. And she comes with a blue bottle. It's the same thing, it's just blue. And they both come with little animal blankets. That is so cute. Okay, now let's start with the strollers. Now here's the yellow one. It looks just like a real stroller. And the best part is that, wait for it, it turns into a car seat. Look how cute it is. It is so tiny. And it has a handle. Your doll can hold it. And the baby, he can fit so perfect in it. And it is so cute. The seat belts are sculpted in. And here's the back of it. So let's take a look at the bottom. As you can see, this is where you put your doll's hands at. They have the handles up here. And this is the bottom, and this is so cool. The basket is actually removable. How cool is that? So you can just take it off if you want. And another thing is, the wheels actually work. So here's the basket. You can see it's very pink, and you put your stuff in there. You can put the bottle, the blankets, or whatever stuff you have for the baby in there. And it just snaps back on. Okay guys, so let's put the car seat back on the stroller. This is super easy. You just line these shapes up and that's it. You're all done. Now let's take a look at the pink stroller. As you can see, it's just like the blue one. It has a purple cushion this time and it's pink. And it has a handle for the dolls to hold. And you can see the Barbie logo. And the basket is blue. So this is how the dolls look when they're pushing it, and this is how they look when they're holding it. Isn't this so cute? Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you think of this pack. Bye guys!
Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more.